Google, why are you doing this to me? Why, Google, why? What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. In today's video, we're going to talk about why Google is killing me softly in my heart, breaking my fingers with your toes. That song doesn't even go nowhere like that. They're not killing me softly. They're breaking my heart slowly, inch by day, by centimeter, every single day, every new update. They keep breaking my heart. So let me tell you what I'm talking about. I absolutely love the aspect ratio of the original Pixel Fold. I went ahead and upgraded to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and all but the Gmail app was working perfectly fine for me. By what I mean working perfectly, everything else had the tablet version, but the Gmail app had the phone version. But update after update after update after update, now everything has the phone layout. Everything that I like to have the tablet format has the phone format. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's move over to the phone itself. Let's start with the phone. Boom. The phone is now in the phone app itself. Before, it used to be like this. If we can get it to rotate, bam. You see, dual Windows, boom. This is the format that I like. It is no longer like that. When you open it, it is in the phone format. Moving on to obviously the email app here, Gmail. It has been like this since day one, but I thought they were going to correct it, and it doesn't seem like they're going to correct it because of the way they're going. And this is how I like it right here, where you can click on this and then you get the preview here of the email on the side. This is what I like for my Gmail app. When I go ahead and unfold my device, I'm not getting that. I'm getting the phone format like that. So now they have taken one more app away from me, which is the YouTube app. The YouTube app now is in its phone state of format compared to how it used to be, which was like so, bam, like this. This is how it used to be before. This is how I liked it. A lot of people didn't like that format, but I did, and now it's gone again. And with that, the music app was gone too when it updated to Android 15. And this is how I used to look before, and this is how it looks like now. So I have a big issue with that. I like the tablet format. That's why I went to foldables. That was one of the reasons why I didn't choose the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or the Galaxy Foldables or the OnePlus Open, because I like the tablet format, and the original Pixel Fold provided that for me. I went ahead and upgraded to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and now they're taking everything that I loved about the Pixel Fold, the original Pixel Fold, and they're converting those apps to phone format apps, which when you just unfold your phone, you get a blown up version of the phone app. And in order for you to get the tablet version, you have to reorientate your phone, and then you get the tablet format. I know you're saying it's not a big deal. It's just little motion, right? Turn the phone over and you get the tablet format. But I didn't have to do that before. I don't want to do that. One of the reasons why I didn't get a Galaxy Z Fold foldable was because I hated that. I hated that I had to rotate every time, and now I'm having to do the same with my beloved Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And you Google have broken my heart for this. Let me know down in the comment section below if you're on my side of the line, if you feel exactly how I feel, or let me know if you're on the other side of the line and you welcome these redesign apps that give you the blown up version of the phone app instead of the tablet format, and you absolutely love that aspect way better than the tablet format. I want to know down in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.